This is a video on how to find the present worth of something. Now that something today is going to be the maintenance of a car. Today is May 15th, 16th, yes, 16th, read 2014, economics. This is going to be a really quick video because it's 9:39 right now and I gotta upload this video. And internet's pretty bad. But that's not important right now because you're trying to learn something. And I just fed you not very important information. Right, so let's continue. Here is your problem. Something fell. What was that? Anyways, the problem is the maintenance of a car this year is expected to be $600. It is expected to increase to $20 for the subsequent 4 years. The interest is 8% compounded annually. What is the approximate present worth of maintenance for the car over the 5 years? Here are your relevant formulas. So you gotta convert area into P because that's gonna be your final answer. Because it stays over here, present worth. So knowing that, you have to use these two. Now why did I pick these two formulas? Well, the first one is uniform series present worth, which is you convert it to P given A, and you use this kind of notation, P given A, I being the interest, which is 8%, and N being the period of time that this is happening, so it's going to be over 5 years. And this is the uniform gradient present worth converts to P given G, and this is a similar kind of notation except now it's P given G and I and N. So why did I pick these two? Well, how do you know that this is A? Well, this is gonna be something you have to pay every year, but G is also something you have to pay every year. Well, this is how you figure it out. Well, this is how I figure it out. A is something that doesn't change. It's gonna be $600 every year. But G is going to change. G is the gradient. Gradient is something that changes over time. Allow me to demonstrate the gradient tool in this. Yeah, here we go. Look how it changes color, and it's rainbow. Yes, it's a rainbow. Let me show you another color. Maybe like this. Ah, it changes color. And another color. This is very cool. Let's do another one. And this one. Ah, sunny. Alright, so now basically something changes over time. So knowing that, it's going to be $20, but then the next year is going to be $20 more than that. So it's going to be $40, and then $60, and then $80. So that's what I use to find out whether something is going to be either A or G. A is something that doesn't change, but you have to pay every year. G is also something you have to pay every year, but it changes over time. Right, so this is how you would draw these two. For P given A, it's going to not change every year that you're paying. So this is the 0th year, 1st, 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th year. And then this is your G drawing, or my G drawing, and this is your 0. This will extend over here. This is your 1st year, 2nd year, 3rd year, 4th year, and your final year, where the price or the cost changes every year. If you combine those two, you would get this. This is how it would look like combined. So you notice over here is your A, where it's going to be the same, but then on top of that you get your G, which increases your total payment per year. There's your P down here, and here's your I equals 0.0. Now what's this thing doing? I'm not sure. Just smudge. Alright, so let's continue on. Let's remove this and remove this. So knowing that we have to combine the P given A and the P given G, we will solve by adding the two together. So P is equal to A, which is $600, and then your whole notation for P, convert to P given A, plus G, which is $20, times your P given G notation. And we plug in everything we know. Now we will go to the reference handbook to find out how to find this whole chunk, these notations. Now the reference handbook will show you. This is your engineering economics section, and if you go to page 132, this is for I equals 8%. Now for 5 years, which is n equals 5, we will find out what P of A is. P of A, convert to P given A, is 3.9927 for this one. So this is how you fill that in. And then right next to it is your convert to P given G. This is 7.3 I can't get it. There you go. 7.3724 is your convert to P given G. Right here. So you plug those two in. So now it's 600 times 3.9927 plus 20 times 7.3724. You use your calculator, and then 2395.62 plus 147.45, and now you get the final answer of $2,543.07 as your present worth of maintenance. And that's how you solve this particular problem. Most problems won't have a combined, or in my experience anyways, I won't have a combined thing where you have to solve for P given A and P given G. I think sometimes you'll get that, but for the most part you just get one to deal with. But now you know how to find a combination of both. So yeah, thanks for watching.